Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this video is about TradingView charting software and we are going to discuss on how to use TradingView for technical analysis. So TradingView basically a charting software with some advanced tools compared to other charting softwares. It is easy to use and the interface of the TradingView is very user friendly. So let's do a basic walkthrough of the site and discuss how we can use it for technical analysis. So whenever you open this in your browser like tradingview.com, you can see from here this is the default home page you will get. So you can see in the home page you will get the market summary. You can check the indices, currencies, future, crypto, bonds as well. So there are different sections available on the home page. This one is the chart that we are going to discuss, and we are going to discuss how we can use it for technical analysis. In the market you will get different market all around the world, like trade, you can get the brokers, you can get the countries from, like from for the stock market you can choose the country, for stocks, for cryptocurrency, currencies, indices, future, bonds. In the news section you will get the news from the pair that you are going to follow. In the screener you can check the screener for your, like if you want to check which is gaining the most, you can use their screener. In the forex, crypto, stock, and also there are multiple options available in this screener. In the community you will get the feed from the like you can see the trade idea from the particular asset that you want to trade. You can develop your script from this column. So we are not going to discuss this in detail about the script and other, so we will just head over to the chart. So this is the main window for the chart. So as you can see, this is the 5-minute chart, and this is a, you can say, customized chart. You can customize it as per your requirement. So what you have to do actually, if you want to change the color like this, you have to right click on the screen and you can head over to settings. Here you can change the color of symbol as per your requirement. So as you can see, I have done the white for bull candle, and this one blue one is for bearish candle. So you can choose as per your setup. Also you can change the background from the settings. In the appearance you can change the background as per requirement. So these are the settings you can walk through on these settings. So let me give you a brief, or you can say the basic or beginner friendly idea on how to use for technical analysis. Like uh, let's start with the indicator section. So this is the most important part and most you can say the important tool from TradingView. So from the indicator section there are different, and you can say uh, thousands of indicators available in the TradingView. So this is the indicator section. So let's take an example from the basic one. So the most the people that use, I think, the RSI one. So relative strength index, you can see from here. So whenever you click on the RSI, like whatever indicator you are going to use, you can see that whenever you click on that, it directly shows up in your the window, the chart window. So this is the RSI. Also if you want to change the settings from the default, so as you can see the RSI length is here 14. You can click on the settings and you can change the chart and the settings as per your requirement. You can change the colors from the settings also. So this is the customization option. We are not going to discuss that. So like let me take an example for a technical one, like for the point of price action, what and how we can use that. So as you can see, for the basic introduction, like let me take example from this low. on 5 minute. This is the gold chart. Also you can change the symbol as per requirement. From here you can change your symbol, you can search for stock, future, forex, whatever you like. So we are going to discuss on the gold. So as you can see, as per general assumption and general, you can say, method, most people use RSI. Whenever RSI goes below 70, sorry, below 30, they that indicate that this is now oversold and we can take a buy entry. So as you can see, this is below the 30, this is the 30 line, and you can take the buy entry like this. But this is not that easy. I'm just going to tell you how you can use it for technical analysis. So also, as you can see, the another tool that I want to discuss. So if you click on this three horizontal bar in this section, you will get different section, and here we have a drawing panel. If you turn it off, it will turn it off, and when you turn it on, you will get different drawing tool in this section. So this one is the basic one. You can use different tool from here, like you can draw trend line, you can do draw horizontal arrow. So let's go with the simple horizontal lines first, I think. So what you have to do, also you can use this brush one to use to draw different, like you can highlight, you can use rectangle, circle. So let's start with the my favorite, the rectangle. So you can see at this section we have a consolidation. So in the consolidation, and let's do some, like at this particular price range, you can draw a horizontal line just by clicking on this plus icon, and you can click on the draw horizontal line. As you can see, after oversold condition, we have seen some correction, and after correction it found support on this horizontal line, and after, you can see, testing it many times, the price went back to the highest, sorry, pushed back to the highest position. And after that we have seen some consolidation inside this rectangle. We have seen a false, you can say, breakout on the higher side of around 1890. So like after hitting this level, we seen decline, and again it break down this rectangle, then went back to this support, and again we have seen some, like, these are the condition, and you can use those as per your setup. So for technical analysis, you can use like different type of indicators, different like shapes, like trend line. You can let me give you an example with trend line. Let me found a good movement. So from here you can change the time frame as per your requirement and your style, trading style. You can delete by simply you can click on that, and you can press the delete from your keyboard. So for trend line, like you can see, we have a this one. You can see this trend is following this trend line and currently trading above this. So you can use these tool. Also the parallel channel that I use most of the time, like you can click on this and then you just drag it wherever you want to place. Like this one is a you can say parallel channel. You can change the color by just clicking on this, and you can change the color as per your requirement. You can change the borders as well from here. So this is it. And for other tool, like, I'm not going to discuss all of the tool because it is not easy to cover all the tools. This is just a basic walkthrough, and let me give you an example. from the important one, like for this, the Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, after, like if we talk about from this to this price level, this high, let me zoom in, then you can see better. So here you can see after this, you can see after hitting this price, gold pushed upside toward the price level of 1909, and you can see it is taking support at this level, and then it tried to break down this price level, you can see, but this level is acting as support, so it went back toward this price level. So you can use these tools from the trading view. So this